Ciao guys and welcome back to Tagliamare, the channel where you can find unboxing videos, step-by-step guide and everything useful for building your model ship. Today I want to share with you an exciting project I started a few years ago, but for many reasons it remained tucked in my room, gathering dust and triggering nostalgia. But before we dive into it, just give me a second of your time. I know that 80% of you who are watching my videos did not subscribe to the channel. So please do subscribe here on YouTube to Tagliamare. It doesn't cost you a penny, it's totally free, but it's very important to me. So thanks a lot. The model ship I'm going to talk to you about today is the Stella Polare, also known as Jason. A vessel built in 1881 in Sandefjord. The name Jason was given to it by Christian Christensen, a Norwegian merchant and ship owner. The Stella Polare, formerly known as Jason, was originally a whaling ship used for hunting seals. The Duke of Abruzzi, also known as Luigi Amedeo di Savoia, was an Italian explorer and mountaineer who led several expeditions to the Arctic region. In 1899, he acquired the Jason and renamed it Stella Polare, meaning polar star in Italian. The ship underwent modifications and preparation for polar exploration. According to the Duke's diary, the Jason was described as the best ship available for purchase in January 1899. Just to make you understand the importance of the ship and the expedition of the Duke, he received the United States Column Geographical Medal. You can find the list of people who received this honor on the web. If you want to know more about the history of the Stella Polare, I invite you to check out my article on tagliamare.com. You can find the link in the description below. As you might have noticed by looking at the bulkheads, the Stella Polare could be considered unusual for a polar exploration ship. It had straight sides and was not designed to be trapped into ice or withstand significant pressure. Instead, its objective was to find a safe anchorage for the winter. In essence, it did not require a special structure like the Fram, for example, which had a design specifically meant to withstand ice pressures. Despite the different design approach, the Stella Polare proved to be a capable vessel for polar exploration. Its straight-sided structure allowed for efficient navigation into open waters and facilitated its search for a suitable winter anchorage. The Stella Polare basically chose versatility and adaptability into the polar environment. The keel, as you see it here in the model, is just a part of the whole keel. For the part that will be visible, I am going to use beechwood. As you can see, this board is a real mess, but it was treated to eliminate all the wooden mods that damaged it. As I will be cutting this into smaller pieces, I will see if it's still usable or not. If not, I will find another solution. As you can see, at the moment I didn't glue anything. As the structure is really weak, I wanted to buy a large board to fix the false keel in it, and then I will start gluing the bulkheads. Again, it will still be very weak, so I'm going to make holes on the bulkheads in order to install two parallel dowels that go through the bulkheads. Next steps will be to buy a board long enough to fix the keel of the ship. Consider that the ship will be around 1 meter and 20 centimeters, around 4 feet, so it will need a big structure to hold her steady. I would also like to show you the plans I will be using, which are incredibly rare, hand-drawn blueprints from 1970. Acquiring them was an arduous task, but their significance is immense to me. This ship holds deep personal value and I hope to find the time to finish constructing it. If it turns out to be a successful build, my sincere desire is to donate it to the Arctic Museum here in Italy, as to my knowledge they do not currently possess a model of the Stella Polare. I think it will be great to show a model of the ship that made history in the Italian polar exploration there in the museum. Thanks for sticking until this point. If you like the video, please leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of this model. Have you ever heard of it, for example? For now, thank you, and I will see you in the next video.